Well, this is 2017 and this year Apple came with three iPhones. iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 10, or people call it as iPhone X. This is Pitan from Canada IT and I've been using this phone since last 1 week, and this is my review for the iPhone 10. To simplify the smartphone review and make it a little short, I'll talk about the most usable features on the smartphone. Let's begin with the price first. iPhone X comes in two configurations, 64GB and 256GB. Well, 64GB costs 1319 Canadian dollars and 1520 Canadian dollars for the 256GB. It's definitely a costliest iPhone ever, and it influences your decision making. First question, what do you have to ask? Can you afford this phone? If not, then much cheaper Android Army is always ready for the competition. As to the next category, unboxing and hardware overview. iPhone X unboxing has really nothing new apart from the device itself. All accessories are standard and does not justify the price versus quality ratio. You get standard 5-watt charging brick, USB to lighting adapter, headphone dongle, and lighting earphones. Some documentation, Apple stickers, and SIM ejection tool are part of box. iPhone X comes in two colors, space gray, which is my favorite, and the other one is silver. It comes with two stereo speakers, one is front firing and another one is bottom firing. It has silent mode toggle switch, volume rocker, and this here we are getting a large power button on side which activates Siri with a long press. What to mention, bye-bye of headphone jack and fingerprint scanner integrated home button. iPhone X front and back are secured with a glass, and it has IP67 water and dust protection. Backside of the phone has dual camera system and it has a two-tone flash. This iPhone, it supports wireless charging as well. The phone feels shiny and it leads to a fingerprint magnet. Glass backs make it more fragile. To protect your investment, I strongly recommend a quality case and a glass screen protector. Let's move to the next category, which is display. iPhone X comes with 5.8-inch OLED panel and which is two-tone display. If I have to describe this display in one word, I would say fantastic. Colors are natural, screen is bright, sharp and beautiful. One of the best screen in 2017. Screen is made by Samsung and good choice by Apple to work with Samsung for sure. Almost bezel-less display, it makes it 2017 smartphone. And iPhone 7 and 8 lineup looks really outdated against this iPhone X. Well, the notch at the top looked weird when I saw it for the first time. However, I'm used to it after a week. It does not bother me anymore. Let's move to the next category, day-to-day use. Well, this iPhone setup is quite easy and feels similar as other iPhone devices. Just one exception here. Now you have to set up your face to unlock this iPhone. Apple A11 64-bit Bionic processor performs very well. Performance is buttery smooth throughout. It handles games and graphics like a champ. For sure, it's most advanced mobile processor and definitely outperforms other processors in benchmark. Apple software feels exactly same as iPhone 7 and 8 series, with some changes like gesture-based OS due to the removal of home button. Swipe up from bottom edge to go back to the home screen. Swipe up and hold to the multitasking. Swipe down from the right edge for the control center, and swipe down from the left edge to get the notification bar. Animoji is funny and unique way of messaging, and I can see myself using it. Phone calls are clear and louder. Multimedia experience is really very good, and looking forward to see augmented reality support from Apple in future. Stereo speaker sounds really good. Apple AirPlay, CarPlay and Do Not Disturb mode during driving works very well in practical scenario. And people who use Apple ecosystem definitely will be happy with this choice. Let's move to the next category, which is camera. iPhone 10 features one of the best dual 12 megapixel camera, one with the wide angle and another one is with the telephoto lens. This time both the camera lens has an optical image stabilization. Portrait mode with studio lighting delivers good quality photos. Photos taken in bright light, daylight looks amazing. Quality is on par with top 3 smartphone cameras in 2017. This iPhone features 4K video recording with 60 frames per second. Photos taken in low light condition are just okay, nothing special. iPhone X features 7 megapixel true depth detection front facing camera. It takes selfie like a champ and pictures taken from the front facing camera turns out great. It also capable of capturing 1080p video with 30 frames per second. This iPhone definitely gives me a full day with single charge and with the heavy usage. Screen on time, web browsing and video playback time is little less than iPhone 8 Plus, but considering the fact having 2K OLED panel and a big screen, iPhone 10 has a very good battery life. Coming to our last section, which is final conclusion. iPhone X is really good looking iPhone. I was excited for the initial few days, and after few days I feel it's just an iPhone, which is good in one sense as I'm used to all the new gestures. It's reliable, future proof, good camera, good battery, and it has all round performance. Well, if you live in Apple ecosystem, if you like iOS, and if you afford this iPhone 10, then definitely you will be very pleased with the iPhone 10.
Hey guys, if you like our video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.
And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.